Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? My name is Liz and welcome to Liz Listens. For today's video, if you guys couldn't tell, I'm super ecstatic. I am so excited. I just filmed a video and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of tired, but I'm also really excited and I want to open this new music that I have received in the mail over like the past week. We have some of my first vinyls, we have my first cassette, and just some awesome CDs that I want to open on camera with you guys. I did share these on my music Instagram, so if you guys want to follow me on there, please go ahead. The people on there that follow me, they're always the first to see my new additions to my music collection. I also wouldn't be filming this if I didn't have a ring light, which I'm so excited to have. If I was filming this like a week ago, the lighting would suck. It's like getting dark outside and it is 5:20. I'm just gonna shut up and let's just get right into it. Okay, so first, I have Pop Smoke's Shoot for the Stars, Aim for the Moon. But yeah, all of these are sealed. Okay. Wow. So there is the cassette. This is limited to, 2,000. I got this at my record store. There was 2. When I posted it on my stories, I had people DM me like, get it now. I almost left it, but I know my conscience wouldn't have left me alone. There we go. Up close, side A and side B. And then this is, this is the inside packaging. It just has the credits. Rest in peace. This was such an amazing album and I absolutely loved it. It's really unfortunate that we had to lose Pop Smoke, but yeah, I'm really excited to have this one on cassette. Up next we have RTJ4, which I actually didn't listen to till like the very end of 2020. I don't know where I was at. Like, I would see people talk about it and for some reason something in my brain wasn't clicking. I don't know. I was gonna use scissors, but since it's paper, I'm kind of like afraid to open it like that. So I'm gonna use a pencil here. Opening CDs is so satisfying and like, whoa, I ripped the hype sticker. I just ripped it. My bad. I hate me. I'm gonna show you guys what it all looks like, and then after I'm done, I'm probably just gonna spend like a whole hour looking through all these because, yeah. So here it is, RTJ4. Such an amazing album. Oh my god. There's Ooh La La, Out of Sight, one of my favorite songs. Walking in the Snow. Never Look Back. I have a lot of these songs actually in my gym playlist. That's so cool. So here's the inside and it is a trifold. Some really dope images here inside. Here in the first pocket, is it the booklet? Yeah. Cool. They have lyrics! Oh my god, I love when artists include the lyrics in the booklets. Here, let me see. Yeah, so it's literally just the lyric book. Here's a couple images and then lyrics inside. That's awesome. I remember being younger and absolutely loving the lyrics in the booklets because, you know, back then we didn't have like the Genius lyrics and we didn't have Apple Music or none of that. I was one of the type of girls that would like listen to a song like over and over again and like write down the lyrics in a notebook. So that was me. And then the CD, I feel it right here. It is, yep, just a hot pink. Super dope. I just really appreciate when people, or just like artists in general, just really put an effort into their packaging. So there is RTJ4. Up next we have Big Sean's Detroit 2. Got this from Barnes & Noble. This one I'm just gonna rip off and it also has a little hype sticker there. So I'm gonna be careful to not rip that. Alright, got it. There it is. And here is the back side. It also has a couple pictures and the track list. Ooh, okay. So here is the inside. Big Sean is cute. He's kind of fun. Oh, that's really dope. There is the inside. Hopefully you can see that. Super dope. The booklet, if I can get it. It's got credits, a couple exclusive photos. Do you have lyrics too? No, you don't. Okay, so here it just has a couple photos. It's really just credits. But yeah, that's about it. And then we have Nipsey Hussle's Victory Lap, his debut album and only studio album. Rest in peace, man. It's been rough. I got it at Target. It was in the sale section. I guess someone returned it, and it's still sealed, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like inside. Why can't I open it? You know, one thing that I'm really excited about so far, that none of these have that little sticker at the top, because that is the thing that I do not have patience for. If I get a bunch of like CDs and they have that, I usually ask my siblings to help me because I just can't do it alone. I take forever. Bruh, this is... Try not to scratch these. Bam! Got it. Alright, so here we go. Nipsey Hussle. There is the back. It's just a track list. And then the inside here, I'll show you guys first. Hold up, I won't look at it. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm not exactly sure who these two guys are. So let me know if you know. And here we go with the booklet again. Most of the times when I'm struggling removing the booklets, instead of getting it out from like this side, I go here from the inside part. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, here we go. And then I just pull it out like that, and for some reason it's just like a lot easier for me. For the most part, this is the same thing. Just credits, a couple of photos inside. It's all black and white. We have a classic album, A$AP Rocky's debut album, Long Live A$AP. Oh, I should probably show you guys, huh? I'm already trying to open it. I didn't even show you guys correctly, my bad. I'm just really excited to get into it. Help me. Just like in general, I don't really have the patience to be opening CDs. It's a cool experience getting new CDs and looking at them. It's just the unboxing, like the plastic removal, that I'm not the biggest fan of. So here it is. Here is the backside, track list again, and then opening it. Nothing too special, you know. We do have a booklet. It's not just one of those little picture thingies. Here we go again. Look, look, look. Watch, watch, watch. See, it's easier to remove it from the inside. So there's a little hack for y'all. Credits, some photos. This one I just got at the record store. This one I ordered off of 21's like the official website, and I was super excited because it sold out not too long after I got mine. It was supposed to ship and I waited a couple days. It still didn't. I got an email in the morning saying that they gave me a refund because it was out of stock. So it's really frustrating when that happens. I don't know what that's all about, but whatever. I got it. So here we go. Savage Mode 2 by 21 Savage and Metro Boomin. This one is really cool. I like the CD. It's really simple, but it looks like it's kind of like a bling inside. Credits again, some photos. I'll show you guys. So I ordered It Was Good Until It Wasn't. It was the Urban Outfitters exclusive. It's clear vinyl. I bought that one before I got this one, so I'm not sure if After Hours is my first vinyl or the other one because I bought it, but this one I physically had, like, it's my first copy that I had physically. So After Hours by The Weeknd, this is the Target exclusive. It says it has 2 extra songs, so I'm very confused because on the back track list it says, like, it doesn't say anything extra, it's just like the regular track list. I don't think it's 2 extra songs of the deluxe because that's 3 songs. And if it is 2 songs of the deluxe, you might have just included the whole thing and called it a deluxe. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one, and I'm really excited to just get into vinyl in general. The reason I got into vinyls is because of the music Instagram page that I have. And for the most part, they're mostly all vinyl collectors. I do have some, like there's also CD, hold up. I'm trying not to rip the hype sticker. But yeah, for the most part, it's vinyl collectors. And so seeing all of those, I was really hesitant at first. I was like, I'm not going to get into it because it's just so much money. And CDs are so much cheaper than vinyl. So I was like, every time I looked at vinyl prices, I was just like, yikes, that's going to hurt. But I saw this online that it was on Target, and then it said that it was in a nearby. So I was like, I had to go. I literally went probably like 20-30 minutes after, but here it is. Here is the inside. It's a bifold, just a normal. And this is the image that is on the alternative cover for the Target exclusive. This is the gold vinyl with red splatter. Here I'm going to take it out of its sleeve. I'm just going to take one out for now. Hold up. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Hold up. Hold up. Bro, that's sick. Do you guys see that? Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Hold up. I gotta see the light. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm hooked on vinyls now. So you guys just saw me react to my first, if you want to call it, vinyl ever. I am actually very pleased. After Hours is one of my top 2 albums of 2020. Weeknd just in general has been my favorite artist ever since I started listening to him before Kissing even released, like the trilogy era. This album really just had such a good impact on my life. Like, it's an amazing album like itself, but also it just came like at such a perfect time. I relate to it so much. I'm just like so excited to have this on vinyl. I really just, I love it here. Another vinyl. This one I have wanted for a while. It's not on CD. I really wanted it on CD, but when I realized it was only as a vinyl, I was like, man. But it was sold out everywhere, and like I saw some people sell it for like $90, for like $80, and I was like, you think I'm gonna go from like $10 CD to like $100 rec? No, I can't. Target had it back in stock, and your girl copped it. Ari Lennox, Shea Butter Baby. This is a no-skip album. I seriously love this album so much. Chicago Boy, BMO, Up Late. We got Shea Butter Baby with J. Cole. We got Speak to Me. What do you speak to me? New Apartment. I just got a new apartment. I'm gonna leave the floor away. I could jam out to this thing anytime, for real. I'm so excited about this. Hold up. I need to open it. Give me a second. Give me a second. But yeah, I was really freaking excited when I got the notification from Target that I came back in stock. So here she is. This is the back, and this is just, I believe, the standard black. Ooh, okay. So this is the lyrics that she has on the sleeve. That is awesome. I really love that. Yeah, so there it is. Okay, there she is. Just standard 12-inch black record. She's beautiful regardless. I am really excited to have this as one of my first vinyl records. But yeah, guys, that is all of the brand new unboxing of music for today. I am really excited to do more of these in the future. It's so hard to do though, because I've had some of these for a few days now, and it was really freaking hard for me to save all of these for this video. When I showed them on my stories for Instagram, I had a few people say like, oh, just open them, like they don't have to know. And I'm like, no, I want to have like my genuine reaction for YouTube. I mean, I could have opened it, but you guys could tell that they were sealed. So I already said it, but it was super fun filming this for you guys. If you like these, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.